Hello everyone. 2025 is going to be a great year for Harmony. And today I would like to talk about a few items on our roadmap so that we can really keep building and get everyone to be part of the journey. The few main items are going to be the AI agents, going to be the perpetual DeFi, and our 1 second finality. And finally, the exchange with the DeFi and the Pump.Fund for our meme coins launchpad. Let me break down each of them and explain why these are the most innovative across AI and crypto products that we'll be building. First of all, AI agents is something that we have been exploring for almost 2 years now, and before Harmony and crypto is something that I have been building with the machine learning. We understand that AI is now great for not only generate tokens and understanding image and voice, but now can autonomously interact with people and control assets. In particular, our top level domain .country is going to be great for many of the AI agents that have its own control of Twitter accounts for social engagement, but also a self-custodial wallet for them to be investing, copy trading, managing their own crypto on-chain identity and reputations. So we think it will be the top level item under the social AI agents that will be part of what Harmony will be driving and leading the industry on. The second item is the Pump.One, ONE, to be our platform for launching meme coins and having not only the community competitions and engagement, but also market making. From a bounded curve when it's still to have the fair launch for anyone on the web and mobile with a simple click with a meme image, to all the way to managing the buy and sell on the curve, all the way to liquidity pools on our both swap lending and derivatives markets. It's going to help many people really explore crypto and Harmony the first time and still build their own community, understanding what is trending, what is interesting, what is almost their religion, into holding a mission and a community together. We think that Pump.One, which is our domain and platform, is going to bring many people together to understand why crypto is not only for investment and for financial uses, but it's fun. But it's part of your community, but also being fair and secure way to do an initiative and a coin and token together. And we believe the new political climate, as well as being in US and doing research, but also product development will be so much better with 2025 and on. The next item is back to how we think about the entire DeFi growth on Harmony. We understand that there's still a lot of recovery for the depicted assets to go, and building infrastructure like bridge and cross-chain asset and even intended-based transaction that we need to facilitate. But the key thing is we're going to launch many of the new DeFi under one simplified interface, under a upgraded bridge, as well as many of the website, and everything will be under the domain exchange.one, ONE. So people understand that this is a premium domain that we have been reserving for the new features like perpetual options, perpetual futures, so that there will be new innovations, how we manage liquidity, how to secure the risk with like even hundreds X of leverage, but also a very unified product platform with stable coins and bridged asset that user can easily manage the portfolios. But we have been building infrastructure for 6 years now and counting. And the great thing is the 1 second finality is already in prototype that we are not only ready to launch, but make it faster and faster, even closer to 500 milliseconds that we believe will be possible with many of the upgrades. 1 second finality will be a great user experience improvement, but also helping us secure and improve many of our consensus, leader rotation, as well as the robustness of how we stay sync, stream sync, boot notes. There will be a lot of infrastructure work that our engineers have been just very dedicated, very, very skilled, and very excited to do that. But the big item will also be the Ethereum virtual machine that we forked some years ago, and now we do a major upgrade, which include much better state management with vertical tree and state expiry, many of the new EIP protocols that applications is counting on EIP proposals that will be part of the big upgrade that our senior engineers will be overseeing the development, the developer relations to help people make use of it. Now let me give you a overall picture why we structure our roadmap this way. We understand that DeFi asset and many people coming to crypto the first time through Bitcoin, through the bridge asset, would really bring millions of asset on chain. Next year, coming years, that people really accept not only Bitcoin, but many of the alternative asset on-chain transactions to be the way to go. Million asset on-chain. But the great thing is, this is not just about the financial and the investment speculation, but a way to rally around a community through memes, almost a religion, almost the way of creating a sense of belonging that we think it belongs to billions of users and billion ways of thinking about memes. But this is not all. We know the biggest innovation of our generation will be about thinking about how intelligent AI and AGI way of seeing the technology being part of the future of building intelligent models to impact every part of our life, digital lives, but also real lives. We have been saying that not only image, but also voice will become human level quality this year of 2024. I've been claiming, and I work on it, to know that voice models and image generations will be indistinguishable from the best artists, but also the best way of communicating. And 2025 will be no exception, that many of the benchmark of reasoning, models, capability, internal coding, and competition will surpass humans, even the best experts. But let me also claim that the two part will be very, very much passing the threshold will be the two elements. One is in the video. We already see a lot of promising. I've been playing a lot with it. It's very, very much part of the podcasts, now become a video, now become highlight clips, trend that I've been playing with many of the things there. We do think that not only it will generate high quality, long form of content, much like a short Pixar film, but will be also the way that we have not just entertainment, but many way to be feeling belonging, to be part of a bigger community, bigger coin of initiative. So video AGI. Second thing is the social AGI. It will be indistinguishable how we engage with human, with bots, and we would not mind at all whether we are talking to a human or a bot online, on Twitter. And the way that we talk is not only that we cannot tell the difference between human and bots, That will be the Turing test. That we actually prefer the agent coming from the most intelligent models with the knowledge base, with the memory of personalized, that they will become the god of the digital life, that become the leader, become the meme that rally a community together. So all these bring together the social AGI that I would be the most excited about to be part of, and driving Harmony to build tools and wallets and driving towards it. I think it all come back to that all these can be part of the smart wallet that we've been building for years, that many of the intent-based now sponsored transaction can enable much easier way, whether do it on Twitter or a separate iOS app like our partner Timeless and our game like King and Quests, that we really believe that 2025 is going to be a great year. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. We are looking forward to a productive 2025, and we think that 2025 will be a great year for entrepreneurs and builders everywhere. Many of the foundational building blocks have already been created in blockchain and in artificial intelligence. So we expect to see many more new innovations in the coming years. And for Harmony and our ecosystem, we will continue to focus on building the best protocol to support all of the innovation that will be coming out. We'll have a protocol that we look forward to having less than 1 second transaction speed and less than 1 cent transaction cost, so that we can allow more entrepreneurs globally to scale their ideas and their applications. So for decentralized applications, we think 2025 will be a great year to grow and scale it to the next wave of users by focusing on making the experience and the onboarding simple and more intuitive. And that includes helping users onboard through simpler interfaces, a wallet that they can easily start and have guardians and certain protection, and to build DeFi products that allow someone to have a one-click experience to start using the benefits of the products, and by hiding some of the wires and complexities away from the users. And we'll continue to build the key pieces such as lend and swap, so that other entrepreneurs and builders can come and develop their ideas and new ideas on top of this ecosystem. And we welcome the many entrepreneurs who are building in this space to come do that. For artificial intelligence, we have been studying and researching the industry and following it for many years. And it is very exciting to see the incredible possibilities that AI agents have created in the recent months even, and there'll be more to come. So we want to let developers come build in our open ecosystem to create AI agents that will have their own wallets that can hold crypto. And we think that because there's so many possibilities of what AI agents can do, that the best way is to host an open ecosystem to allow anyone to join, to use standards, and to build AI on top of them, even if you're not the most technical person. So we think that the next era will be a great time for human creativity and human productivity, because we have an open ecosystem that you can build AI agents in, using some of the tools that will make it easier, that you can build DeFi products and decentralized applications using some of the protocols that already exist on our network, in our ecosystem, to make it easier to build the next idea. So with that, we really want to welcome the next generation of builders. And we look forward to continue to make the core ecosystem as easy to use and as strong and scalable as possible. So we look forward to a very productive 2025. I hope everyone had a great holiday and have a healthy and fruitful next year. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, it's Aaron from San Francisco. 2025 is going to be a great year for Harmony and people in the community because of three things: DeFi, AI, and memes. Now here's what we are doing. We are upgrading all the DeFi infrastructure, getting all the stable coins together into one with more liquidity, and building products that let people in the Harmony community get all the nice things that DeFi has to offer without having to bridge their asset off the chain. There are a lot of products getting launched or have already launched internally. For example, Pump.1 meme coin launcher, which will put some unique AI integration and agent integration pretty soon. And agents are not simple trading bots. They could be talking to other users, they could design your meme coin for you, they could trade for you and select asset for you, and explain to you why. Other products, for example, a yield-generating vault that could perform a lot better than staking without sacrificing the security. And that's made possible by cross-chain liquidity provisioning and cross-chain communication. We also built infrastructures that make things ready for trading perpetuals, derivatives, and making prediction market. We'll make them different compared to what's already available on other chains by putting some unique AI features into it, just like what we are doing with the meme coin launchpad. And lastly, very soon we'll have a new unique DeFi primitive, and that is an option trading pool, sharing the liquidity with Uniswap v3. And that could be a very big deal because option trading for crypto right now accounts for less than 1% of the trading volume we have. Whereas for stock market, it's much bigger than the stock themselves. And for the 1% of the trading volume we have, most of them are on centralized exchange. Almost none of that happen on decentralized blockchain, on the smart contract. And smart contract would be the way we are doing it, and we'll be one of the first. Not only will be one of the first, we'll also make it one of the easiest. For example, for normal users, trading option could be as simple as sending a message on Telegram or interacting with a bot on Telegram. You could just say, I want to buy this many options at this price because I think one price is going to go up pretty soon. And it's going to ask you to deposit some money, and it's going to confirm your transaction after you sign the transaction with your wallet. As simple as that. So just messaging on Telegram. And for developers, the opportunity is endless. We already made a command line version that's working, and that's already on GitHub. So you can try it, run it locally, or very soon we'll have a production version deployed on Harmony. So you can have your own trading bot with option trading feature. You can have your own app with option trading feature and build whatever interface you want. You can embed it inside a game. There are just so many things we could explore that hasn't been explored somewhere else or on other blockchains before. And lastly, going back to AI, I think we're at a unique time, which is 2025, to actually abstract away all the complexity of crypto. Using the apps, setting up your wallets, acquiring crypto, keeping your seed phrase secure. All these things are complexity of crypto that drive people away. And we have a unique opportunity to use AI to automate most of that, if not all of them. So imagine instead of having to learn all these DeFi terminologies and becoming a crypto bro, what if you can just tell a bot that you want to swap X coin to Y coin and to buy that meme coin and maybe put half of your money in a vault that give me at least 10% return in the next 30 days. What if the AI agent can plan it all out based on the information you can gather from CoinMarketCap, from different chats, and from all these DApps? Instead of you having to tell AI, do this or that specifically. What if AI just give you the plan, let you review it, and if you say, okay, that sounds good, do it, and the AI can just execute it all automatically. I think with what we have today as of December 2024, we can already make that happen. We just need to build it. And we can make more than that happen. So the AI themselves can be smart contracts that follow certain logic, certain models to interact with users, to trade, to manage their own asset. There's so many things that we can do. And that is what we want to build on Harmony, and we'll make it happen in 2025.
All right, let's talk about 2025. My focus for Harmony will be in two areas, liquidity and volume. But those are, I guess, a bit broad and can be said about any chain. Any chain would want liquidity and volume. So to be a bit more specific, my focus is going to be on simple DeFi and AI agents, each guiding us towards decentralized finance that's more accessible, intuitive, and seamless for everybody. Again, we're trying to combine the simple UI, UX with kind of the degen side of the Web3 yield strategies and see if we can remove the complexities for everybody. Before we head into kind of 2025 and that, I wanted to take a moment and kind of circle back to where we are now and how we got here and kind of cover a few areas. So first is Harmony Swap, which is a Uniswap v3, which is on DeFi Llama, Dex Screener, and again, getting more and more visibility, and again, getting those pillars of DeFi. Second is our partnership with Layer 0, which continues to provide a seamless bridge solution for us, which has operated flawlessly for, I think, over 2 years now. And finally, HIP32, which is the result of a unanimous governance vote from our validator community, which yielded, I think it was 3 billion tokens, which resulted in Harmony being now more decentralized than ever before, reducing internal leader voting from 49% to just 1%. And then in 2025, we'll take that finally a step further and get that down to 0. But looking ahead, for me, my focus is going to remain on making blockchain interactions effortless. On one side, we're simplifying DeFi into a single click, where it's a simple experience, but some complex things going on behind the scenes. And on the other hand, we're working towards that future where a user doesn't have to click at all. So we'll see which one wins out, but we'll make sure that we have a foot in each and give the best experience for users. So again, agentic frameworks and everything, we're going to be leveraging the open source community, which is phenomenal. In particular, AI16Z, ELIZA framework, Shaw Makes Magic, and everybody behind AI16Z and all the contributors and partners. Highly recommend checking out the dev school. Even if you're not a dev, phenomenal, and will definitely set you up in the years to come. But then it's all about taking that and seeing what can we deliver to the Harmony community. How can we leverage these agentic frameworks to rebalance portfolios, stake tokens? Is there an advantage that we can have to implement this framework into a protocol at the protocol level rather than just a dApp level? And then on the DeFi side, simple DeFi, the heart of that is going to be the yield enhancer, which is a product that, again, a bit more of the yield strategies that you have to jump through a lot of different things given to the user in a simple click, where we'll deliver an industry-leading yield on Boost DAI, which is going to leverage Sky Protocol's yield-bearing stablecoin, but again, within Harmony's fast finality and low-fee infrastructure. For those of you who might not know, Sky Protocol is MakerDAO. And this yield enhancer is a return to what made Harmony special, creating simple, user-friendly tools that remove barriers for everybody. A lot of people, kind of their first venture into DeFi was Harmony. So in 2025, my focus is going to be on execution. So delivering the tools that work and creating ecosystems that feel effortless for the users by focusing, again, simple DeFi and then AI-driven innovation. So all of that is to empower the user to access kind of these more complex DeFi strategies, but again, reducing complexities, simplifying, having it be so that anyone can access it. And as the number of bots and AI agent grows, Harmony's mission of onboarding 10 billion continues. Just in this case, it's going to be human and AI. Happy holidays.
Hi everyone, my name's Elena. I work on design and marketing at Harmony, and I'm excited to share my 2025 goals with you. My focus for next year is to enhance our marketing with AI agents, to lean into memes to promote our new meme token launchpad Pump 1, and to simplify and enhance our DeFi platforms. We've witnessed a surge of AI agents this year, with the most notable project being Truth Terminal on X. AI agents have the potential to build vibrant communities, to foster cult followings, and to even build microeconomies. At Harmony, we have a vision to build AI agents that operate seamlessly both on-chain and on X. We envision agents that can trade for you, that can post for you on X, that can give you varying insights on different developments on Harmony, and so much more. In 2024, we've begun the process of building AI agents on X with our 2 accounts, Elon X Country and Jensen X Country. While these accounts are not fully AI autonomous yet, we're working towards it in 2025. AI agents won't just streamline content on X. They'll help us generate trend-driven content, they'll help us respond to the community faster, and they'll help us to scale our outreach. As we continue developing Elon X Country and Jensen X Country, we'll evaluate rolling out AI agents to Harmony's main account as well. Bringing these agents to the Harmony community is a huge opportunity, and in 2025, it'll be one of my top priorities to make it a reality on X. Another main focus of mine is to lean into memes to market our upcoming meme token launchpad, Pump 1. Meme tokens have shown just how powerful they are at building strong and engaged communities, and honestly, that's what it has always been about at Harmony, building together. So next year, I'll be working to create campaigns that are fun, shareable, and really connect with the Harmony community. The idea isn't to just throw out random memes, but it's to collaborate with the community creations on Pump 1 and really share what we're building together. In addition to using the community-created memes, I'll be using tools like OpenAI's Sora, Whisk, Runway, and Pika to craft beautiful visuals and videos to share across our platforms. These tools are amazing for bringing our mission to life and attracting an audience that might not know about Harmony yet. These AI tools will empower me to produce more and to communicate Harmony's mission in a fun and exciting way. My final goal is to make DeFi accessible to everyone. Right now, DeFi can feel overwhelming with tools that are complex and not very user-friendly. In 2025, we're taking a fresh look at Swap, at Lend, at our bridge to simplify this experience for both someone brand new to Web3 and the most seasoned user. This vision has been started in 2024 with Harmony Community.1, but we'll continue working to make DeFi simpler across Harmony in 2025. 2025 is about smarter marketing, deeper community engagement, and simple, intuitive design. I'm excited and ready to work hard in 2025. Let's make it a great year, one step at a time.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rika, and I work as a software engineer here at Harmony. It's been a fantastic year in 2024, and as we look ahead to 2025, I wanted to share some of the goals and projects I'm excited to work on, particularly around AI integration, which I believe will play a big role in shaping Harmony's ecosystem. First and foremost, I plan to drive more projects that incorporate AI agents into our platform. One key area I'm focusing on is Twitter, where we've been experimenting with our novel Elon X AI account. This account uses transcription to automate posts and boost engagement, and I see a lot of potential for taking this even further. In 2025, I want to build more AI-powered solutions that will not only automate content, but also engage more meaningfully with our community. I'm also looking at integrating AI agents into other areas, such as a bot for trading Bitcoin features within Harmony's ecosystem. Combining the power of AI with real-time market data to make smarter trading decisions and predictions, this could revolutionize how our users trade, and I'm excited to develop features that empower people to make more informed decisions in the crypto space. Additionally, I'd like to continue pushing the boundaries of AI in the crypto world, specifically AIX crypto. One project I'm particularly excited about is the video transcription automation service I've been working on. I believe this is just the beginning, and I'm eager to expand this into more automated tools that can help both creators and traders on our platform. I've also been thinking about ways to make the bonding curve tokens I worked on earlier this year to the next level. I would like to contribute to one of our projects, Pump One, and integrate AI to enhance content generation and meme platforms. Overall, it's been a rewarding year working at Harmony, and I'm looking forward to another year of innovation and contribution. With AI becoming an even more powerful tool in our toolkit, I'm confident we'll be able to create even more exciting, impactful projects that will push the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you, and I'm excited to see where we can take Harmony in 2025.
Hi everyone, it's Sun here, dev for the Harmony Core team. As we look forward to 2025, I'm very excited to share my primary focus for the year, deepening my work in EVM, as well as the Harmony protocol development. First up, I'll be diving into Ethereum Improvement Proposal 3074, also known as EIP 3074. This is a game changer for transaction sponsorship, introducing two new opcodes, auth and auth call. These enable smart contracts to sponsor user transactions, meaning users won't have to always need one in their wallets to cover gas fees. This simplifies onboarding, increases accessibility, and makes Harmony even more user-friendly. My work will be focused on integrating EIP 3074 into developer tools and workflows to support a broader adoption of gas sponsorship mechanisms. Another key point is EVM object format, or EOF. This is a major upgrade to how Harmony's virtual machine stores and executes bytecode. EOF improves modularity, reduces storage requirements, and makes runtime analysis more efficient. By implementing EOF, we can lower the cost of deploying contracts and simplify the process of upgrading complex systems. These two things are very critical for scalability and innovation for our space. So EOF consists of multiple EIPs, Ethereum Improvement Proposals, and I'll be taking a step-by-step process in order to implement all these collected EIPs so that we could have a fully EOF running within our Harmony VM. So the transition of EOF will include like suites of EIPs, as I mentioned. For example, EIP 3540 restructures low-level code, while EIP 3670 focuses on code verification and rejecting faulty contracts. EIP 4200, meanwhile, introduces improvements to Stack Machine. Together, these updates are like giving Harmony's engine a complete overhaul, ensuring it's robust and future-proof. And also, to continue from the EOF, as these updates roll out, I'll also be working on Pectra, which is currently being implemented within the Ethereum ecosystem. I believe it's expected to be completed around early next year, if not mid next year. And yeah, I'll be working on the Pectra upgrades to bring Harmony's EVM to parity with the latest advancements to Ethereum. This will also simplify smart contract development and deployment for developers building on Harmony. Along with these EVM upgrades, I plan to discuss with the core team as well as other protocol developers so that we could also further improve Harmony's protocol in achieving the 1 second finality. So in 2025, it's all about pushing boundaries in EVM development, making Harmony a lot more efficient and up to date with the current EVMs out there. So that Harmony can be more efficient, accessible, and ready for the future. Yeah, so these are the things that I'll be working starting 2025, and I look forward to sharing more updates with you guys. Thank you.